Hi! In front of me is iPad 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, access App Store, then tap on the search bar and type Gboard. After that, you need to download this free app from Google Developer and open it. Now select Get Started twice and choose General. Then go into Keyboard, select Keyboards and tap on Add New Keyboard. From here you need to click on Gboard, tap on Get Started again and choose Keyboards one more time. Then click on the switcher next to Gboard and allow full access. Then choose Allow over here and go back into Gboard app one more time. Now just Understood and tap on Themes. Then click on this plus sign under My Themes and click on one of the available images, like that one. Now you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Choose. Click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them, over here. And when you're done, adjust background darkness and manage some other features. Then choose Done over here, and now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!